I'm sorry, you said shoulder back in place?
His shoulder likes to slip out of place, so gently push your elbow back against my hand. There it went. Did you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Now put your shoulder back, hand behind your shoulder.
It goes away back here now.
Relax that shoulder. Any pain?
Nope.
Good.
No. A little bit there, but
Not bad?
nothing compared to what I've been.
Push your shoulder, elbow back into my hand. There it went.
I felt that one.
And here. Relax that shoulder. Oh, no, we went
I
in
heard
place.
your
Wow.
elbow.
Thank you very much. Stand up and see how that feels.
This is what you call rode hard, put up wet too many times.
How's that feel to you?
Oh, this is much better. Yeah, and look,
Turn your neck a lot better too.
It's crazy what happens when things get put back in place.
I'm telling you. Body